Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install additional brushes in Gimp on your Mac computer. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I publish weekly tutorials on Gimp, photography, editing and tech. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. First, we visit brushhazy.com to download some free brushes. For this tutorial, I'm going to download some smoke brushes. They offer plenty of free brushes, however you also can buy the premium packages. So I am downloading this smoke brush package. We unzip the file when download is completed. Now we open Gimp. Go to Gimp menu. From there click on Preferences. Go to the bottom and select Folders. Click on this menu icon. Select Brushes folder. From there choose the second option where the content resources are located. Click on this View option. It shows the file location. And then double click on the Brushes folder. Here we copy and paste the file we unzipped earlier. Okay, we are done. Now we quit Gimp and reopen it. Right, now we select the brush tool. Here we have all the new smoke brushes. Friends, this is how you can simply install brushes in Gimp on Mac. I sincerely appreciate your feedback. Please feel free to share your opinion and ideas. Thanks.